G'day guys, thanks for checking out our Holden Commodore RS. This one here has just arrived. It does have your daytime running lights, front parking sensors, new set of tyres, alloy wheels. Coming down through the side, you do get your keyless entry. You've got your sports seating, leather style dash, carpet mats down the bottom. Coming through in the back, plenty of room for all the rear occupants. Coming down to the front, it's in great condition. Coming around the back of the car, you've got the rear sensors, quick release on the boot, huge amount of space through the back of the car. Get your rear sensors, only negative thing, a little bit of bubbling on the rear tint. It has passed the roadworthy, but it is there. Full electric driver's seat, only travelled 87,000 k's. You've got a full leather wrap steering wheel. You've got your audio controls through here, all your indicators, all your wipers on this side, which it is auto. And as you can see, just down below here, you do have your push button start. You've got all your cruise control just through the side here, and also much more. You've got your dual zone climate control, reverse camera. These things are really well appointed, so we look forward to speaking to you soon.